Hello and welcome to the Intercepting Mobile Devices Traffic with the help of Burp Suite. So in this case, I'm going to configure the Burp Suite and the iPhone so that all the traffic that is going from my iPhone will be diverted to the Burp Suite that is running over the computer system, in this case the Windows PC, and I will be able to capture all the traffic of my iPhone. So to capture all the traffic going throughout the mobile device, in this case the iPhone, we need to configure and make some changes inside the Burp Suite. So first we need to make a listener over a specific port and the IP address. So let's go to this is the proxy tab, and intercept is by default on. Going to option, this is the proxy listeners. I will make a proxy listener bind over the port that may be different, that is 7007, and make it to all interface so that it will listen over all the interface over any IP address running in this computer over all the interface. So just click OK. Now make it running. Okay, now we need to do one thing more. We need to gather the IP address of this computer system. This is the Windows PC, and we need to configure that IP address and this port number inside the iPhone. So let me check the IP address. So this is the wireless adapter, that is the Panda Wi-Fi, and this is the IP address 192.168.43.187. We need to configure that IP address inside my iPhone. So I will make the same configuration. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the iOS device in this case, and let's connect to the Wi-Fi first. And this is the network on which I am going to connect, and by default this is auto connect mode, so this will be connected automatically. Okay, so you can see clearly the sign of Wi-Fi that has been connected. Now we need to check the I symbol here, that is the information. So this is the IP address of this iPhone. Now we need to move to the bottom of these details, and as you can clearly see the HTTP proxy here. Simply go to manual, and we need to enter the IP address of the server. So in this case the server IP address is the IP address of the Windows machine on which the Burp Suite is running on. So that IP address is 192.168.43.187, and the port number that we configured inside the Burp Suite, that was 7007. There is no authentication in this case, so it will be off. Okay, so now we need to test if it is working or not. I will open up the browser. Okay, so let's move to the proxy tab and the interceptor that is already highlighted. In this case you can see. So going to, and this is the same URL that I accessed over my iPhone. So by this way we can capture the mobile devices traffic, and the CA certificate that is provided by the Burp Suite, as we installed in the Burp Suite CA certificate installation lesson, we can install the same Burp Suite certificate, CA certificate, inside mobile devices browsers as well, so that all the HTTPS or SSL or TLS communications or the traffic our Burp Suite will be able to capture. So now as you can see, the iPhone details will be here, like a user agent. You can see this is iPhone, and the operating system details, that is the iOS version, and it is also saying that like Mac OS X. So Burp Suite is able to identify what kind of operating system, what kind of a user agents the client is using right now. This is for the only case when you are going to test using the browsers. If you want to test the applications that is made inside the mobile devices like iOS or Android, you need to jailbreak the iPhone and root the Android device. So in this case, I am only showing you the iOS device and connecting and making configuration with the mobile devices. Like if you want to make connect to Android devices using the Burp Suite, capture the traffic of your Android device, you can configure in the similar way. There is no difference. Just make a proxy, configure the IP address, put the IP address of your computer system and the port number that the Burp Suite is listening on inside your mobile HTTP proxy, and the rest of the things will be going well, and Burp Suite will be able to capture all the traffic that is passing and coming to your mobile device. So thank you for now. This is recommended to test your mobile device if it is Android or if it is iOS or whatever the mobile device. Simply put the proxy details and try testing your mobile devices.